ships sail on the seas, but the clouds that sail in the sky are more beautiful than these, the boats and ships. There are bridges on the rivers. Bridges may be as much beautiful as you like, but the goal, that is, the rainbow, which connects the sky over the trees and makes the road from the earth to sky, is more beautiful than the beautiful bridges.
এইটা আমরা আলোচনা করলাম, এটা আলোচনা করেছি